Welcome to Reading with Mrs. Laundry.
Cute animals, penguins. Look at the cuddly wuddly baby penguin. A baby penguin is called a chick. Most penguins live in Antarctica. It is a land of cold and snow. Chicks hatch from eggs. The mama penguin lays 1 or 2 eggs. The dad penguin keeps the eggs safe and warm until they hatch. Penguin chicks are so fluffy and adorable. Chicks have soft feathers that can be white, gray, or brown. Chicks snuggle close to their dad's cozy belly. They perch on his feet away from the ice. Young chicks cannot swim or find food yet. The mama and dad penguins head to the sea to find food for their hungry chicks. Peep, peep. The chicks wait in a huddle to stay warm. Their parents will bring treats for them. When the parents return, the chicks sing out to the adults, each little one calling to its parents. Chirp, chirp. The parents feed the chicks small fish, krill, and soft squid. The happy chick flaps its tiny wings. It waddles on its short legs. Waddle, waddle. Sometimes the chick slides on its belly. It is so much fun. Whee! Baby penguins love playing in the snow. When they are about 4 months old, the chicks lose their baby fluff and grow thick feathers. Now they are on the move. Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. Do you know why? Their wings are too short to lift their bodies. Penguins are great swimmers, though. Splish, splash. Their thick feathers, flippers, and feet are perfect for swimming. Penguins live in groups called wattles or colonies. These cute, clumsy penguins make our hearts say, "Aw." Bye-bye, baby penguin.
Thanks for reading with Mrs. Laundry. Like and subscribe for more.